Which of these equations are altered by the transient term in the Piso algorithm? A. Both the first and second pressure correction equations. B. Only the first pressure correction equation. C. Only the second pressure correction equation. D. Neither the first nor the second pressure correction equations. The correct answer is both the first and second pressure correction equations. The order of temporal accuracy achieved by the Piso algorithm for pressure and momentum are n respectively. A 4 3, B 2 3, C 3 4, D 4 2. The correct answer is 3 4. The simple algorithm used for transient problems is A. Implicit and iterative, B. Implicit and direct, C. Explicit and iterative, D. Explicit and direct. The correct answer is implicit and iterative. The Piso algorithm for the transient problem is A. Iterative, B. Non-iterative, C. Never converging, D. Fast converging. The correct answer is non-iterative. Which of these techniques is used by the Piso algorithm? A. Neighbor splitting, B. Source splitting, C. Coefficient splitting, D. Operator splitting. The correct answer is operator splitting. Which of these terms of the momentum equations are altered by the transient term in the Piso algorithm? A. Neighboring coefficients, B. Central coefficients, C. Weighted average of the neighboring coefficients, D. Velocity correction term. The correct answer is central coefficients. Which of these statements is correct about the transient simple algorithm? A. No additional terms are needed in the continuity and pressure correction equations. B. No additional terms are needed in the continuity equation. C. An additional term is needed in the continuity and pressure correction equations. D. No additional terms are needed in the pressure correction equation. The correct answer is an additional term is needed in the continuity and pressure correction equations. Which of these terms is added to the source term of the momentum equations of the transient Piso algorithm? A. Product of the latest central coefficient and latest velocity, B. Product of the current central coefficient and previous velocity, C. Product of the previous central coefficient and previous velocity, D. Product of the initial central coefficient and current velocity. The correct answer is product of the previous central coefficient and previous velocity. To overcome the performance issues of the Piso algorithm, which of these methods is used? A. Time steps based on temporal schemes are used, B. Large time steps are used, C. First order temporal differencing is used, D. Higher order temporal differencing is used. The correct answer is higher order temporal differencing is used.